Catherine Bernardo update.
Bernardo.
And around pa si Catherine, 4th century ko na Super Bowl, best view ever ng finals night. Grabe si Catherine. Yung pinagandaan niya ni Catherine. Nainabangan dyan si Catherine. Siyempre, dyan sa event ng Century 2 na sa XC ni Catherine. Yun o.
Alright, she is a woman with a mission. Good evening, Kath. We say hello, love again to you.
Hello again.
Hello.
Hello, love
Good
again.
evening. Hello, hello. Okay, your performance was spectacular. Thank you so much. Thank you. You look amazing, Manu. Thank you. You as well. So,
Everyone, including our Superbots backstage, including us right now on this stage. Do you have any message to all of our contestants, to our Superbots, and of course, to all of your fans
Yun o. May
globally?
message si Catherine.
okay, first I think I want to give my message muna to the contestants. Wow, what a journey. I saw all their activities online. Lahat ng ginagawa nila, of course, headed by our bosses from Century Tuna. And hindi biro yung pinagdaanan nila. So I want to personally thank them for their dedication. And this is it. Tonight is the night. This is their night. Andito lang ako to support them. I want to congratulate all of them. Win or lose, I think lahat tayo uuwi dito with a learning and newfound friendships, of course, new memories, and maybe a better version of ourselves. So thank you for allowing me to witness your journey. And ngayon pa lang, congratulations na. I'm excited to see kung sino yung magiging next Superbod. But before this day ends, thank you also for coming. Again, for welcoming me to the family. Thank you to our hosts, our judge.
Yeah.
And yeah, congratulations and good luck, everyone.
A very good message from our very good girl. Thank you so much. Once again, put your hands together for Miss Catherine Bernardo.
Yun o.
Okay.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click ang notification bell for more update. Tara po on with your reaction vlog. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.